Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of top stories impacting the Indian and Indian American communities. It's December 8, 2025. India welcomes Vladimir Putin with full state honors, sending a subtle but unmistakable signal to Washington as New Delhi continues to balance strategic autonomy between major world powers. India's semiconductor ambitions take center stage at Chip Connect 2025, with global leaders emphasizing that India's biggest competitive advantage is not subsidies, but a massive pool of engineering talent. AI innovators gather at Stanford and Google Cloud, showcasing breakthroughs that could reshape global industries, from clean energy to maritime transport. US prosecutors push for strict limits on classified evidence in the Ashley Tellis case, citing national security concerns as the high-profile matter moves forward. Ambassador Vinay Quatra hosts a farewell for US envoy Sergio Gore, who prepares to take up his new posting in New Delhi amid growing diplomatic momentum. The Indian government makes the Sanchar Sati anti-fraud app mandatory on all new mobile phones, aiming to curb rising cybercrime and digital impersonation. Mamta Singh makes history in Jersey City, becoming the first Indian origin woman elected to the powerful council at large. The Pentagon approves a $52.8 million Sonobuoy sale to India, strengthening naval surveillance and anti-submarine coordination in the Indo-Pacific. In his latest column, Anil Swaroop writes on managing the unmanageable, reflecting on leadership challenges inside India's bureaucracy. Modi's invitation to Putin is hailed by analysts as a refined example of India's non-alignment strategy, reinforcing its role as a balancing force in turbulent geopolitics. Apple appoints Amar Subramania as VP of AI, signaling the company's accelerating push to close the gap with rivals in next-generation AI systems. The rupee nears 90 per US dollar, as delays in the India-US trade deal fuel market uncertainty and pressure the currency. The US will triple national park entry fees for foreign tourists starting 2026, a move expected to heavily impact Indian travelers and the global tourism industry. Teen sensation Vaibhav Suryavanshi smashes a record-shattering T20 in SMAT, drawing nationwide attention as Indian cricket's next big breakout. Shubman Gill and Hardik Pandya return to India's squad for the South Africa T20 series, boosting the team ahead of a crucial tour. That's all for today's roundup. Stay informed with Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com.